Hello everyone, I am Subramani HL. Now I am here to present my internship work which was done under the guidance of internal guide Dr. Lokesh MR and external guide Abhishek C. Coming to the table of contents. These are the contents on which I will be presenting. First, I will talk about the company where I was an intern. Second, I will tell you the task or a project assigned to me and during my internship. Third, I will talk about the algorithm which I used to develop a model. Fourth, I will talk about the result and analysis. Going on, I will be discussing the skills obtained from this internship and at last my internship certificate. Coming about the company where I was intern is IC Solutions. This is a Bangalore based company which offers many services to their clients worldwide. IC Solutions aim to provide software, designing, and marketing solutions to individuals and businesses. At IC Solutions, they believe that service and quality is the key to success. IC Solutions have designed and developed many website software for their clients. IC Solutions provide a service to their clients as per the requirements. IC Solutions provide a service like they develop responsive, functional, and superfast websites. They develop mobile applications. They offer personal graphic design, brochure design, and a logo design. They give consultancy services. They create polished professional video to impress audience. They perform digital marketing to reach more audience. Coming to the project. What was the project assigned to me? Before that, they taught me the basic Python and machine learning concept for a period of 2 weeks, and then I was given an automobile dataset. From this dataset, I was instructed to implement some of the machine learning algorithm techniques on the given dataset. Coming to the introduction part. Automobile car price prediction is somehow interesting and popular problem. Deciding whether a car is worth the posted price when you see listening online can be difficult. Several factors, including a mileage, making, model, year, etc., can influence the actual worth of the car. From the perspective of a seller, it is also a dilemma to price a car appropriately. Based on existing data, the aim is to use machine learning algorithm to develop models for predicting car prices. Coming to the problem statement, this project aimed to solve the problem of predicting the car price of the automobile cars using standard libraries in a machine learning like scikit-learn supervised machine learning techniques. It is clearly a regression problem predicting the automobile price by using the dataset automobile price data file. Coming to the objectives. The major objective of this automobile price prediction project is to predict the car prices based on the regression techniques and algorithms. Coming to the algorithm, what I used. Here I used techniques of machine learning like random forest regression, linear regression, decision tree regression. The predicted price is evaluated and compared it in order to find those which provide the best performance. Then the final report was submitted to the company. Coming to the result and analysis, the accuracy of the random forest algorithm is 0.8805. Second, the accuracy of the linear regression algorithm is 0.8657. At last, the accuracy of the decision tree algorithm is 0.8369. Skills gained from this internship. First, the technical skills. Python essential, data analysis and visualization, introduction to machine learning, supervised and unsupervised regression, model optimization, model development. Second, the non-technical skills. Applying knowledge to tasks, organizing information, maintaining information, improve problem solving skills, improved critical thinking skills. At last, I was awarded a certificate of successfully completion on internship at IC Solution, and this is my certificate. This is the end of my presentation, and I thank you all for your valuable presence.